Hi friends, welcome to GMK tutorials. So in this video we are going to discussing about the AND gate realization. Just we will check the AND gate IC will be there. So the IC number for AND gate is 7408 actually. Okay. So let us see this one. This is actually 14 pin IC actually. So let us see the diagram for this one. 14 pin IC. So in this direction, let us see. So this IC consisting of a 14 pins overall, it consisting of a 14 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this 7th pin, this is generally called as a, it consisting of, let us see in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Actually this IC direction can be represented, a small mark will be like this. Okay. So this is a starting point. So internally this represents like this. On AND gate format, this output of the AND gate is connected to the next output. So here also same thing. 4, 5, it is connected to the input of the AND gate. It is connected 6, 1. So here also same. These two are connected to the one AND gate. Output can be 10. So here also same thing. These two are connected to AND gate 13. So this is nothing but VCC and this is nothing but ground. So this is the symbol. Suppose if you want to test this IC number is nothing but 7408. So one input is connected to here and second one is connected to input 1. So input 2, output will be taken across the third pin. So let us see the same circuit pin configurations will be there. So for that purpose I will take some 5 volt supply will be there. This 5 volts is connected to the VCC pin of this IC and ground is, so this is a ground, this ground pin is connected to this one. So these two are the inputs. So this can be connected to the one switch format. So first pin is connected to first and this represents the output. The output can be observed with the help of a one LED indicator will be there. So this is also called as a output indicators. So just I will use the LED light, that whenever the light is glow, that means that the corresponding gate produces the high output logic. So this is a circuit diagram. Just I will on the corresponding board. Okay. So this is nothing but 0 configuration. When 0 means that no LED will be glow. So as well as 1 means that no. So 1 combination, no output will be there. So 1 combination, no output will be there. So whenever both inputs are high, at that time only the corresponding gate is glow. So this is a IC 7408 act as a AND gate. So the truth table for the AND gate is also, let us see. So basically we know that truth table for the AND gate. So A, B and output is equal to AB, right? So 0 means that 1, 0, 1, 1. Whenever both inputs are 0, at that time output 0. So 1 means that output is 0. It is nothing but a multiplication. 10 means that 0. Whenever 11 means that output is high. So it satisfies the basic truth table of the corresponding AND gate. So from this conclusion, 7408 IC is also act as a AND gate. So that's why 7408 gate is used for the AND gate operation. Internally it is connected as a AND gate. Okay. I hope it is very clear, guys. So from this diagram it gives some more information regarding this one. Okay.